Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about wallpapers on iPhone and how you can add new wallpapers anytime. Adding wallpaper to your iPhone can give it a new look and help you customize your device. You can use your own photos, emojis or weather data as your wallpaper. You can also use wallpapers from featured sets like astronomy or weather. People add wallpapers to their iPhones to change the look of their device. You can also choose from a variety of options, including photos, colors, and patterns. Now, let's see how can we set wallpapers on iPhone. To add wallpaper, you have to open the settings app. As you can see on the screen that we have already opened the settings app. Then tap on wallpaper section, then tap on add new wallpaper. Here you will get to see a lot of varieties in photos. Yeah, you'll get to see a lot of options, and then you have to choose from here to add a new wallpaper. You can also customize your wallpaper if desired. Then you have to tap add. All right, we just choose the random wallpaper to show how it works. Yeah, you can also customize this. After adding it, choose whether to use the wallpaper on both on the lock screen or on home screen. That's how you are going to set a wallpaper on iPhone.